Hello YouTube, this is Eli coming at you with something I really like. We're going to do a little break of some cards, a little box break. Last break I got this nice, beautiful patch here out of 25. Goes along with my rather large jersey rookie of Mariota out of 75. And then the dual jersey of Kendall Wright and Marcus Mariota over there. So it's my little Mariota collection. So what are we going to break? Well, this is what we're going to break. We're going to break a little blaster box of Panini Donruss Optic. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack into this and get it going. See what we get, see what we pull, see if we can get any of those really pretty cards. Get it going. All right. I don't know. I thought you were supposed to get something in this, but maybe not. Who knows? We'll see. We'll crack the packs, see what we get. Let's go. Let's get it done. Let's get going on. Let's get going on. All right. Little Julio Jones. Ooh, little Demaryius Thomas there. Like that. Little Austin Johnson. Yeah. All right. Rated rookie Demarcus Robinson. I do believe I have that one card already, but let's see. We got the nice shiny Demaryius Thomas over there. All right. Let's get in this next one. Next one. Eric Decker. The rookies. Miles Jack. Rookie card. Yannick. Yeah, that guy. And then Cody Kessler, rated rookie. So, God, I think these are beautiful cards. I kid you not. Seems to be a very thick card there. We're going to put that over there for now. I can't see him putting a dummy in here, but I didn't want to look at it. We'll see what it is in a second. Look, it's Demaryius Thomas. And it's flashy Demaryius Thomas. Refractor, regular, refractor, regular. Okay. Let's see. Carlos Hyde. TJ Green. I needed that one. Wendell Smallwood. Rated rookie. Okay. AJ Green. Ooh. TJ Green. Pink. Nice. Shaquille Calhoun. Tajay Sharp. Rated rookie. Yeah, it's a little warped there. It's a nice card though. All right. We'll get this second to last pack, and then we'll see what that thick card was over there after I do this. Carlos Hyde. Ooh, nice. Pink of Hunter Henry. Like that one. Noah Spence. Rashard Higgins. All right. So, got Von Bell. CJ Procise. I like that. Rated rookie. Julian Edelman. And it's a Bengals. Tyler Boyd. Jersey. Nice. That's actually really pretty. Look at that. I'm very happy with that one. Nice looking pink jersey on there. All right. Well, that's about going to do it for me. Got the pink jersey, Got lots of cards here. Gotta love them. Shiny shinies. So that's going to be it for me. Remember, faith, family, football. Shiny shinies. Faith, family, football. Peace. I'm out.